Hello, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at the solid shapes. In this topic we'll be seeing and we'll be learning how to solve the surface area of the solid shape. So we'll be looking at the cube or the square prism. Before we start, let's recall the features of a cube or a square prism. We know that a cube has 6 square faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices, and all these faces are equal and the angle between them are 90 degrees. Now, have it in mind that a cube has 6 square faces. If you have a cube, the cube has 6 square faces, that is 1, 2, 3, and then the next 3, which will make it a 6. Now remember that this is a square. Can you still remember the formula to find the area of a square? Length times length, or length square. That's correct. So if the length of all the square is being represented with L, and the area of a square is length square. Now how many length square do we have here? 6. So that leaves us that the surface area of a cube is 6 length square. Alright, so let's solve this question together. We should recall that surface area is equal 6 length square, and this can be written as 6 times length times length. So to solve this will be equal to 6 in bracket 12 square, which will be equal to 6 in bracket 144, and therefore the surface area will be equal to 864 cm square. We should remember that we are dealing with the area, and area is measured in square unit. So that is why our unit is cm square. So let's solve it together. We have surface area is equal 6 length square, and this is equal 6 times 16 times 16, and this will give us 1536 cm square. Remember that the answer is left in cm square because we are dealing with area, and area is measured in square units. You can try out this mental math on surface area of a cube and leave your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and don't also forget to hit the notification button. Thank you for watching, and bye.